best container plants for South Florida. Other than in the outrageous northern districts of the state, Florida's mild winters and tropical temperatures take into account an all-year growing season. A significant number of similar plants developed outside in the scene will endure and prosper very well growing within pots. This permits Florida gardeners with constrained space an opportunity to fill their yards and porches with a plenitude of foliage. Indeed, even fledgling gardeners will discover trees, shrubs, natural product-bearing species, and flowers to fill their containers. Florida has numerous trees that will do well in pots. Similarly as with most container-developed trees, select a pot that is, at any rate, a few times bigger than the plant's root ball, for best development. The smaller person sugar palm develops well in containers, arriving at a stature of around 10 feet and having medium development propensities. Citrus trees, for example, the littler limes, lemons, and smaller person assortments will do all around developed in a pot. Bananas, musca, have a few diminutive person assortments, for example, the Cavendish, growing to a tallness of 6 to 7 feet tall and will do well in a container. The frangipani, plumeria, sprouts in a variety of brilliant flowers, is dry season lenient, and will do all around planted in an enormous container. Shrubs. There are numerous shrubs growing all through the express that will do well growing within pots. The Goliath yellow shrimp plant is a quick producer and does well in the southern areas of the state, with yellow shrimp-like flowers. The butterfly shrub does well in the north and focal districts of the state and is a quick producer. It has purplish flowers and draws in hummingbirds and butterflies. Beautyberry, Callicarpa Americana, is a local and develops wild all through the state. It produces purple flowers and berries, which draw in flying creatures and untamed life. Hibiscus, known for its vivid tropical flowers, will develop well within pots and can be pruned into a tree form or left as a bush. Tea plants, cordyline, known for their beautiful foliage, will do all around developed in pots in the focal and southern areas of the state. Flowers. Florida gardeners have numerous options in blossoming plants to develop in pots for all-year sprouts. Bramble daisy, Gamelopus, endures growing in containers very well, giving all-year yellow sprouts and growing to a stature of roughly 2 feet. The plant pulls in butterflies. Following lantana develops wild along the side of the road of the state. The plant has little bunches of yellow, pink, purple, or white flowers, is dry season open-minded, and draws in butterflies and winged animals. Periwinkle, Vinca major, is another bloom one can discover growing wild all through the state and does very much developed in pots. The purplish flowers pull in butterflies and the plant is dry season lenient. Milkweed, Asclepias, develops quickly, arriving,